Hi friends, I am Harsha here to tell you how can we attain success in verbal speaking such as elocutions, declamations and public speaking. I am a cadet of class 7th, student of class 7th. Actually I am from Sainik school, so in my school they used to say cadet, so because of that I said. So for your easy understanding, I am a student of class 7th. Today I am going to tell you how to attain success. I took this topic because I have seen many things about this topic in the school. I have seen many people fumbling in the stage, fearing in the stage, forgetting their script, forgetting what they want to say, not able to express. Many things I want to say. So please watch this video completely, don't skip anywhere in the middle so that you can understand what the things I faced in my life. So first thing, do you know why I am keeping this video? And do you think that I do know everything and I can take success every time? Friends, I have experience, that's why I am going to take this video, and I am experienced, that's why I am making this video. And that's why I want to share it with you. So first thing I want to say you is some of my experiences in my life. When I was in school, there was in 6th class, when I joined first time, I had a competition English declamation, English elocution. It means they will give a topic, we need to speak on the topic. But what happened is, friends, that time I have practiced a lot, but and finally I have achieved the success. I have got gold. So that's why I have always think that practice makes a man perfect. But what happened last year? I practiced, that means this year, when I am in 7th class, I practiced a lot, but I didn't got the success. What is the reason, do you know? Because I practiced, but I have never seen the mistakes which I have done. I have just practiced, that's all. See friends, whenever you practice, there will be some mistakes. So what you need to do is, you need to make sure that your mistakes will be corrected next time when you practice. So you practice and practice till you get a perfect time. What you need to practice when you are going to a declamation competition or elocution or a public speaking in front of everyone, whatever it may be, you should see pronunciations. Because I told you right, I did not get success this year. The person who got gold, actually I got silver, but I never think it is a success. I think gold is a success. First, always you should be first. That's why I think gold is a success. That's why I did not get it. One of my junior, that means he's from 6th class, I'm in 7th, he got gold medal. How did he get? I thought. After that I understood that he's from Dubai. Actually his father works in Dubai and he stayed 1 year, 2 years like that, and he came to this school because of some transfer in his father's job, and he know the accent of Englishman, so he was able to speak in front of everyone, and what we say, he never fumbles because he have experienced many things like this, and he's able to speak properly and very furiously without fumbling, without any mistakes in his pronunciations. But I did mistakes. I never know pronunciations. I just practice, leave it. That's it. I don't even know how to pronounce a word. Actually I know, but I do mistakes. One mistake I did, I still remember, that is Julius Caesar. You all know Julius Caesar. When I was practicing in my script, I told him Julius Caesar. Actually, I just practiced, that time a senior told, so I was able to correct it. So like these mistakes will happen. So that's why what you need to do is, whenever you want to go to some competition, first thing you need to do is, you need to practice in front of some public, so that you will not fear. Take your family or take your friends, keep them somewhere, tell them that you want to go to that competition, you just say in front of them, so that you will not be fear. And one more thing, I do every time is practice in front of mirror, because I can know how I am saying and how I am expressing. That's what I do every time. But what happens is, when you practice in front of mirror, your hands, absolutely sometimes you need to do hand movements in front of audience. I used to do in front of everyone, because in the declamation, declamation means copying the speech of others. In this, absolutely you need to do, because the famous persons will always use hand movements, so you need to do. So that's why, to know your hand movements, you need to practice in front of mirror. That will make you perfect. And never fear. Fear should be completely disbanded. I told right, practice in front of your friends. If you practice in front of your friends, you will get some confidence level that will boost your speech. That will boost your confidence, and you will be able to speak without any fear on the stage. So friends, never and ever fear, because I have seen whoever fears, they fails. Because when you fear, our brain doesn't work. My friends who went on the stage, many of them frightened, and they fully, what we say, whatever they remembered, they forgotten. That's why that happens every time. So please don't fear when you go on the stage. And fumble will happen. That's why you need to practice. That's where you have to practice. So that's why you practice many times, you doesn't fumble. So friends, do you think that if you practice more, you will get it? I know many of you will think that what this boy is telling. If we practice more, don't take it lightly. Whatever I am telling, I have experienced it in my life, and that's why I am able to say it. Many of my friends, at the competitions, my friends used to wake up up to 11 o'clock in the night, and they used to practice. That's where, and I know they will see the pronunciations. So thank you. And one last thing I want to say is, please, whenever you go to some stage or somewhere, never fumble or never fear to the stage, never fear to the audience. You say what is there in your heart directly to the audience. What I used to do is, I used to see the last bench every time whenever I speak, because there nobody sits. I used to feel like that. But once when I went into elocution, I have seen the principal directly. Then I understood there is no fear and there is nothing if our heart is strong and brave. So thank you.